Consider the following word problem for 5/2 divided by 2/3 equals what? You drink 5/2 cups of juice. If one serving of juice is 2/3 of a cup, how many servings of juice did you drink? Use math drawings to explain why you can solve this division problem by first giving the fractions a common denominator and then dividing the numerators. So the diagrams that work to explain this are strip diagrams. So I want to draw, first I'm going to get common denominators so that the parts of my strips are all the same size. Okay, so I'm going to do the common denominator with halves and thirds would be 6. So I'm going to take my 5/2 and multiply it by 3/3 to get 15/6. And then I'm going to take my 2/3 and multiply that by 2/2, and that will get my 4/6. So I'm just changing this problem instead of 5/2 divided by 2/3 to 15/6 divided by 4/6. Okay, equals what? Okay, so now I'm going to draw a strip diagram where I have 15/6. So I'm going to draw a strip and I'm going to cut it into 15 pieces. Okay, so this strip is 15 pieces, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 15 pieces, and each piece is 1/6 of a cup, okay? So this is 15/6 cups. Okay, and I'm going to draw another strip where each piece is 1/6 of a cup, but there's only 4 of them. So again, each piece is 1/6, and this is 4/6 of a cup. Okay, so I have 4 pieces. So the question is, how many times does 4 go into 15? If this is 1 serving, how many servings can you fit in here? So it doesn't actually matter what the size of the pieces are. If these are 6ths and these are 6ths, then it doesn't matter as long as they're both the same size. The question is really, what is 15 divided by 4? Okay, how many 4s can you fit into 15? And we can answer by marking out each serving. So we have, there's a serving of 4, and I'll switch color. Here's another 4. There's 4 more 6, which is 1 serving. And then I have 3 left. I have 3 left over. So I know I get 3 full servings. 1, 2, 3 full servings. And I have 3/6 of a cup left over. Okay, so my remainder is 3, but how much of a serving is that? Okay, a serving is 4 pieces, and I have 3. So this is 3 3/4 servings. Okay, it's very tempting to call this 3/6, but that's 3/6 of a cup, right? This 3 is representing 3 servings. This is how many servings can I get out of this? 1 serving, 2 servings, 3 servings. This last bit needs to have the units servings, not cups. Okay, so this is how much of a serving. It's less than 1 whole serving because a whole serving is made up of 4 parts. This only has 3 parts, so it's 3/4 of a serving.